I just passed 12th standard with excellent marks and now I intend to fulfill my childhood dream of becoming an engineer.
The computer industry is skyrocketing and so are the jobs. I hope I can pursue computer education from a renowned university.
I always wanted to become an entrepreneur, and after working as a professional for 2 years, I need to furnish my skills by joining an institute that would support my endeavors.
I would like to change the medical industry by developing a new drug which can cure the incurable and dreadful diseases.
For all the needs of students in today's world, there is a one-stop destination that is involved in converting students into highly professional and responsible citizens. Ganpat University. A university located on a sprawling 300-acre lush green high-tech campus of Ganpat Vidyanagar.
Vidya Samajotkarsh, that is our mission. That is the social upliftment through education. The purpose of Ganpat University, which is a 100% philanthropic purpose, all the donors and the people associated with the management of this university have only one mission, and that is that creating the social and educational infrastructure with the ownership of the society.
Ganpat University is the brainchild of men with noble vision and relentless endeavor to create a high-tech education campus in North Gujarat, comparable to the best in the world. The spectacular campus of Ganpat University is situated near Mehsana and comprises a number of constituent institutes that stand like supporting pillars to the strongly laid foundation. S.K. Patel College of Pharmaceutical Education Research is the first pharmacy college in North Gujarat region, established in 1996. Also, it is the first pharmacy college of the state and amongst 10 in the country for being accredited by National Board of Accreditation (AICTE). The institute offers a number of courses like B.Pharm and M.Pharm in 7 subjects and PhD programs, each a unique learning experience.
Patel College of Pharmaceutical Education and Research has tablet and capsule manufacturing unit, which is the first in Gujarat state.
Our professors are aware about that the field of pharmacy is the way beyond the scope of textbooks and the classroom learning, so they stress upon the learning every concept practically.
The U.V. Patel College of Engineering is the place where the budding engineers get a chance to actually innovate and create things that has never been thought of. The U.V. Patel College of Engineering at present offers 7 undergraduate level and 6 postgraduate level programs and has several key postgraduate courses in various branches. Though it offers a diversified curriculum for engineering and research, the unique teaching experience with supportive infrastructure remains the same.
At UV Patel College of Engineering, we are blessed with a progressive and public-spirited management that has helped us build a world-class infrastructure for engineering education. Our students are sincere and motivated to achieve their best. Our aim is to help them achieve their best through classroom teaching, laboratories, extracurricular activities, and in every other way possible. An example of the innovative and progressive attitude of the management can be given in terms of the mechatronics degree program and the biomedical instrumentation degree program, as well as the stress on research at the postgraduate.